Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how you can use Sweatcoin app and earn money. So let's begin with the video. First of all, open Sweatcoin app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Now, inside the app, tap on your profile picture at top left corner of your screen and you will be able to see all of your assets along with total steps you've taken. If I scroll down a bit on the home page, you can see that there is a section called Daily Rewards. Simply log in every day and get these free rewards daily. You can also try spinning the wheel to multiply your rewards or just refer a friend and get instant swept coins. You can see there are some offers available at the bottom, so there are multiple sources through which you can earn money on Sweatcoin. You can also earn by counting your indoor steps. In order to cash out the sweet coins, simply tap on the shop icon at the bottom of your screen and select any offer you like. After that, swipe this bar at the bottom to confirm the purchase. So that's basically how you can use Sweatcoin app and earn money. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.